everybody and welcome to Vlogmas day 7. Can't believe we're already a week into this. Hope you've been enjoying. I have started the vlog a little bit later because I was tired. And I was catching my Vlogmases and that's not very good watching, is it? So I'm gonna have some dinner and then we're gonna head to Keswick, I think, just because I really fancy going to Keswick, and it's only about 20 minutes up the road from me. So yes, I've off my advent calendars. You can't see me, but yeah, I don't know what to have for dinner. Maybe just a nice, make a quick salad, and then today's gone too fast actually. It's like 1:45, so hopefully it doesn't take too long to get Keswick. Shouldn't do. A little amount of coffee, wander around, they'll walk to the lake. There's a nice little shop. I love the shops in Keswick. Oh god, I can't get my shit on camera. We'll see where the afternoon takes us. I've got to come home and make tea, obviously. But yeah, oh, do I have looking booths? So booths in Cumbria is like Waitrose. Like it's a version of Waitrose, because we don't have Waitrose in Cumbria. We do, but there is a something. Is there like 1 or 2? But you've got to be see posh. But yeah. Oh god. My new haircut, it's fringe. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, let's go. We've made it to Keswick. It's lovely and raining. Didn't think about this. We'll have a wander around. Chocolate shop is a definite. The Harry Potter shop, definite. Costa, definite. And I feel like I might wander down to the lake. See how I'm feeling, see how wet it is. But yeah, I thought it'd kind of calm down just for a second then, but I don't think it did. Yeah, it sounds like it's a lesson. But yeah, let's go. Get home. Oh, the lights went over the lights aren't on down there. But oh, there's a little mark. Oh, so this is great. There's something on the ranks. I just popped into the famous chocolate shop. Try not to buy everything. It's all so good. I love this stuff. I know it may be a bit selfish, but this is how quiet I want Keswick to be. Dead. Not like this in the summer. In the summer, I'm not joking, won't be able to walk down here because of that many people. It's ridiculous. But it is a nice place to come. That's why, oh god, can't see. All the locals prefer it in winter. Not winter like this. A bit wet, but then again, you're in the Lake District. Half you think the Metal Lakes is gonna rain. I have started walking down to the lake, but I don't know how I really want to go. It's wet, it's cold, much good. I suppose by the time I finish this, but how cute. You have another one. Stop. Look at these. The little Santa is over the donkey. Oh, Rudolph, sorry, Rudolph. He's got the red nose. Oh, I've just stood in a puddle. But I actually really love the Costa cups for this year. They're nice and Christmassy. I do prefer a Starbucks gingerbread. Delicious. Here we go, we're at the lake. Lovely. It is this stone. This is not a filter. Can I sit? I'm trying to get myself a nice cover photo and a bird comes up. It's annoying, nothing cute. It's not like birds, it's not like anything with wings. Oh shit. What is it like? I think it's £50. I might have a look online. But I think it's time to go home. Also another bookshop. For any snacks. It's somehow got dark. Well, darker. But yeah. A nice couple of hours in Keswick. I'll just say it's better. You can spread the water. It's better in winter. And then it's just nice busy. It's lovely. Back. Oh, thank you, Mr. Carr. Good lighting, thank you. So wet. But I did get myself. The trip was not lost. I got myself a little Brussels sprout. How cute! Gonna sit on my bookshelf. And it's by, is it Gazella Graham? Shit, they do beautiful baubles. There was a couple in the shop, in another shop that I looked at and I was like, I don't need them. But apparently they do a good sale after Christmas, so I might pop back in and get a couple of get a couple of ones for next year. But yeah, let's head home. Anyone know how fast? 35 minutes, I don't think it'll take that long. Or to work. No, not going there today. We're back. Trying to dry off. Wait, I am trying to dry off. Lovely, it's always a nice drive to Keswick and back. Especially in the light. to the dark, not so much because it's thin road, but the light, you can see the lake depending on which way you go. Well, actually both ways you go, but one way you're right next to the lake, the other one it's like kind of down the bottom. But first thing to do since I'm home is knock the lights on off. So let's go around. Oh, that's better. There we go. Hey Siri, play Justin Bieber's Under the Mistletoe album.
Under the Mistletoe by Justin Bieber, now playing on Apple Music.
Day 7 complete. See you tomorrow. Bye.